Welcome to Chamber Chat. I'm Stephanie Ford. This week in Local Legends, we're chatting with Marine Discovery Center and their Executive Director, Chad Truxall. Thanks for joining me.
Happy to be here on such a gorgeous day.
Absolutely. Chamber of Commerce weather, of course. So Chad, lots of fun things happening at Marine Discovery Center, always, but especially in the last couple of years. So catch us up on what's been going on.
Yeah, so our core pillars are education, conservation, and exploration. This past couple of years, we really focused on those areas. So in the conservation side of things, we took a parking lot that is existing from the old high school. We wanted to keep it because the practical side of it, but the really cool side is we were able to convert about 50,000 square feet of asphalt back into a living shoreline.
Wow. So
what that means is we're basically creating habitat, coastal resiliency, a place of beauty, native plants, pollinators, so it just adds a lot of value to the property. So a lot of other things, but I can take up a lot of time if I talk about them.
It's beautiful. And then it looks like you'll be able to do kayak launch from there.
Yeah, you got it. So we're going to have a kayak launch from there. We've already been partnering with Oceans of Hope on utilizing that kayak launch right from there. And then again, the trailhead, which the county has established as one of the sites, will also eventually be right out of here. So we'll have this great opportunity for a greenway and a blueway, right from the site.
Fantastic. Yeah. It's beautiful. There'll be a ribbon cutting for this new Living Shoreline coming up. Yeah. Well, that info should be on the screen for you. And what else is new? What else can we explore out here?
Yeah, so it's a 22-acre campus. We're open, 7 days a week to come out. Beautiful weather, so definitely get out here and just explore. We have a great indoor facility to come out, learn a little bit more about exhibits. We're free to come in. And then we're always doing projects and programs. So one of the really cool things that we did again last year too is, as a restoration hub, we want to be ready to meet whatever those needs are in our area, right? So if it's seagrass die-off, if it's mangrove, if it's oyster, clams, we want to work with our partners. So last year, a big focus for us was to create a seawater system. So we have a pump that's pumping water through a series of raceways. We're growing clams in partnership with the University of Florida and Premium Seafood. And then we're growing seagrass, and the whole idea is to use those along with our other plants, mangroves, grasses, to really help restore the habitat in the Indian River Lagoon. So awesome. Another exciting project.
That's great. So tell us something, what's a fun fact we may not know other than all of these amazing things going on?
So, a lot of people don't know, but we've been around for, we're celebrating 28 years this year, so super stoked about that. We are looking to build an education center. That's kind of a future plans for the center to expand our camp programs, our hands-on feet wet programming, and just in general, fun fact, I guess I celebrated my 20th year last year, so that was kind of like a milestone for me, so pretty stoked about that.
Congrats.
Yeah,
what's your favorite sea animal?
So we all love horseshoe crabs around here. We have a limited edition horseshoe crab t-shirt, so come by and get one right now. But probably the mantis shrimp. It's really unknown. Most people don't really know what it is, but it's just really amazing, colorful animal that also has probably the fastest reflex of any animal in the animal kingdom. Okay. And they have some cool behaviors. So yeah.
Interesting. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us. If people want to get involved with Marine Discovery Center or come and check it out, we have that info up. Thank you so much for joining me, Chad.
Yeah, my pleasure.
A special thank you to Shark City Media.